Hey everyone, Jeremy Whittington here at Dreamforce 2014. I'm here with Will Wiegler, the CMO of SteelBrick. Will, what can you tell me about your product?
Yeah, so SteelBrick is a CPQ product. CPQ stands for Configure, Price, Quote. And basically it makes selling simpler for sales teams by helping to streamline the quoting process and manage product selection and configuration and manage pricing and discounting, all native inside Salesforce One platform.
When we're talking to clients, we typically recommend a product like SteelBrick. So in terms of just what you guys can do to go above and beyond what Salesforce is doing, can you talk about that?
Sure. So Salesforce does offer basic pricing and product information, and we actually build on that. So we use all native Salesforce objects, price objects, and product catalogs, but we incorporate your business rules into the software so that it guides the salesperson to build the best product and service offerings for each customer. So it helps them configure the products, configure the pricing, manage any bundles, that sort of thing, all inside Salesforce, and then manage the pricing as well. Offering discount strategies, again, based on your business rules, so that it puts some guardrails, for example, on the sales team so that they discount appropriately. If they want to offer discounts that are beyond the norm, it uses workflows to funnel that to managers for approval. And all the time, because the quotes are being built in Salesforce, it's updating the data in Salesforce about that account and that opportunity, so it's keeping your pipeline and your forecast accurate in real time.
So is there a particular market segment or type of customer that would benefit most from this?
So we find that it really is an applicable software product for companies of all sizes and all industries. One of the things that we focus on particularly is the mid-market sector, because there are very few products that are really support the mid-market experience well. Some of the CPQ products on the market are targeted much more towards the really large enterprise operations where they have very long, complex implementation times, and SteelBrick is very easy to set up. We call it a next generation CPQ because of the ease of use and the native applications inside. So our typical customer implementation happens in about a 5 to 10 week time frame. Some are actually much shorter, and some customers self-implement. We've had customers such as Cloudera, the big data company, that self-implemented in 2 weeks and they were up and running. And so that really helps some of the again, the smaller and mid-market companies get ROI much quicker. The other point is, because we're native on the Salesforce One platform and we use native objects, we were the first CPQ to deliver on the Salesforce One mobile app, so that sales teams can actually build quotes and send out proposals from their phones or their iPads in real time, no matter where they are, anytime, any place, any device.
So what kind of skill set does someone at a company need to be able to manage a product like this?
That's a great question. So typically a Salesforce admin can manage and even implement SteelBrick CPQ in their company. With some of the other products on the market that manage quoting, we find that it really requires more of a Salesforce developer to do a lot of the custom coding that's required to support our product. Our product doesn't work that way because it's native and it uses native objects. A typical Salesforce admin has the skills to do everything they need to manage a SteelBrick CPQ in your business.
So if customers want to get out there and get their hands on this, what should they do?
They can go to steelbrick.com, or they can also go to the App Exchange and look for our SteelBrick CPQ product on the App Exchange. From there, they can get more information. They can sign up for a free trial and actually try it out. We've got some demos online as well, and we're happy to talk to anybody and share some of the information about how we've helped customers. Again, I mentioned Cloudera, customers like Hootsuite, Nimble Storage. We've got lots of customers that have deployed, are getting very quick ROI, and are able to reduce the time it takes to build a sales quote and increase the accuracy as well.
All right, well, thanks very much for your time.
I appreciate it. Thank you.